before we get into today's video, I did want to tell y'all that tomorrow is June 1st and I will be dropping my top 10 hat pickups of 2021 so far video tomorrow. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. I upload new videos every week. Sneakers, streetwear, everything in between. Y'all know what it is. But it's about that time we get into why you clicked on this video. The Sugar Shack Part 2, the lavender and apricot hats. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm also going to throw in some outfits to go along with these hats. Right now, down below in the comment section, let me know which part of the Sugar Shack collection was your favorite, part 1 or part 2. Which one do you think turned out better? Let me know down below in the comment section. Talk to me. I respond to all of my comments. So the apricot hat that I went with was the Yankees, of course. I had to pick up the Yankees. This was a really solid hat in my opinion. This apricot color looks really good in photos. It photographed really well. The photos that I've been seeing on Instagram, on Hat Club's Instagram, as well as other people's, all of the teams looked good. There was not a bad hat in the bunch. So I had high expectations for this one and it did not disappoint. This color, very nice. I know it's not everyone's jam, not everyone's cup of tea because it's bright, it's kind of loud, but this is one of those hats that when you throw it on, especially in the summertime, you're gonna get compliments based on the color alone. Yellow Yankees logo on the front, 99 patch on the side. That sealed the deal for me. That is a really nice patch. The pastel colors in there are really well coordinated. There's some pinks, some blues, some creams. On the back you have some more light yellow and some light green as well. Tonal New Era logo. It doesn't need to be too loud. The hat is loud already. I know the inspiration for these hats was candy, you know, Sugar Shack. All of the hats had kind of like a candy inspiration, but this hat definitely gives me ice cream vibes. I don't know what it is. Probably, you know, the light yellow. I think that's what it is that kind of gives me ice cream vibes over candy. Either way, it's a solid colorway. White sweatband, and like I said in the last video, I don't think that they really had an option there. White was the only way to go. Black would have definitely ruined these light and bright colorways. I think the Yankees was the best apricot. I'm just gonna throw that out there, but I will say I really like the Angels and the D-backs as well. Like I said, there were no bad hats, but preferably because the hat is loud already, I think, you know, the simpler text logos looked better. The best lavender hat in my opinion was the Brewers. I think that one was really slept on. I know people were going crazy for the Pirates and the Cubs, and those hats were nice. All of the hats were nice, but I personally really like the Brewers. I think that pink M really stood out on the front, and the way that the patch turned out, it was a really nice hat. But that's not the one that I decided to go with. The one that really spoke to me was the Phillies. There was something about that yellow P on the front with the pink star in the middle that just spoke to me, and once I saw it, I knew this was the one that I had to get. Hat Club used a lighter yellow threading for the Phillies front logo on this one versus the darker yellow threading that they use on the apricot. This yellow looks good with this hat, and the lighter yellow definitely pops against the lavender color and the pink star in the middle. It was just really eye-catching, so this is the one that I went with. The side patch, you get all of the other accent colors, so you have the green and the darker blues. There's even some pink in there. It's a really nice patch. I don't know, do y'all think it's a little crooked? Is it just me or is it a little crooked? I don't know, it doesn't really bother me either way. Light blue and light pink in the batting man, and that is a flat batting man because I know it matters to some people. Tonal New Era logo, really nice hat. Pink bottom on this one. White sweatband. When it comes to buying these hats, I'm not really looking at what everybody else is doing. I'm not looking at the hyper teams that everybody else wants right now. I'm focused on what I like and buying what I like. So the front logos that I think look really good, the side patches that I think have great color coordination, that's what I'm buying. You know, the hats that I'm gonna be proud to have in my duffel. When it comes to picking outfits for your hats, you really have two options. You can go calm with the fit and let the hat speak for itself, which is what I'm gonna do with these two hats right here. I'm gonna put together some outfits that really showcase the hat, or you can pick an outfit that kind of plays into how loud or crazy the hat might be, which is what I'm doing today. I have on the infrared J-tips with the blue brim that matches the blue sweatshirt that I'm wearing, and there's even like a little infrared outline around the Supreme, so it just works together really well and it plays in together. I'm also wearing the Complex Con Reeboks, which has a little bit of yellow in there, some pink, so it all comes together nicely. Now for these two right here, I'm gonna keep the outfits calm, kind of just use pieces that everybody has in their closet, maybe some stuff that you didn't even think would go well with these. Another thing that you want to avoid is overthinking it. If you spend so much time trying to find an apricot t-shirt that matches this exact apricot, you might never get around to wearing the hat. So don't overthink it. Just wear what you normally wear, tweak it a little bit so that it looks good with the hat, and take it from there. I almost forgot to show y'all the pin. Some of y'all might have seen it already if you watched the previous videos or if you have already seen the collection, but there goes the Hat Club custom pin. You have all of the colors from the collection inside the lollipop with the Hat Club H, and then you have the lips with the gold trim all the way around. I think it's a really nice custom pin. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. Everything that you do, liking the video, commenting, it all gets the videos out into the algorithm. I'll see y'all in the next one.